we are going to understand the distance time graph today. Okay, the distance time graph. Okay, so see, we have like different types of distance and time graph. Like for uniform motion, we have for non-uniform motion. Okay, so here we are going to understand the distance time graph. First, I'm going to write the definition, and then we will understand for like different condition, like for uniform motion and then for non-uniform motion. Okay, so let me write the definition over here for the distance time graph. So the graph which is drawn, which is drawn with between distance traveled by an object against the time.
Time.
Yes, time taken is called as,
Distance time graph.
yes, it's called as distance time graph. Distance time graph. Understood what is distance time graph?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so take a screenshot for that. Now we are going to understand the distance time graph for uniform motion. Just take a screenshot for that.
Sir, taken.
Done? Okay, so I'm going to erase that. And now we are going to start distance time graph for uniform motion. For uniform motion. Uniform motion. Yes. So we had to go through one example. So I'm using one table here. Let me erase that part diagram. No, I'm taking table here. Okay. So is table is visible to you? Here I am taking time.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, visible.
Okay, here taking I am time. And I am taking time in second. So I'm writing here second. Okay. And here I am taking distance. And I am taking distance in meter. Distance in meter. Okay. So let first value we have at 0 time, the distance covered by object is 0. At the time 0, okay, the distance traveled by the object will be 0. After 10 seconds, when 10 second passes, object travels 15 meter of distance. 15 meter of distance. And after 20 seconds, object travels 30 meter of distance. After 30 seconds, object covers 45 meter of distance. And at 40th second, object covers, it is example only, let
Yes,
60 meter. After like 50th second, object covers 75 meter distance, and so on. Okay, we are not taking much values. We will no. Okay, we'll take one more. Let at 60 we have 90, and at 70 we have 105. Okay, so this is the distance traveled by. At 0 we have 0 distance, At 10 second, object covers 15. So I'm checking here the difference between 30 and 15 is 15 meter. Here again 15 meter. Here again 15 meter. Here again 15 meter. Every time you are checking, the distance covered by object is same 15, 15, 15, 15. Yes. And let's take time. Here time is again difference between 10 and 0 is 10.
10.
Yes, 10, 10, 10 means equal distance in equal interval of time. Is it?
Yes, sir.
That's why it is called as uniform motion. So first we have to write definition and then we will understand the graph. So I'm writing definition by using the green ink or yes, green ink. So the motion when an object, it is not visible. Let me use black ink. When an object covers or travels equal distance, it is equal distance, is it?
Yes, sir.
Equal distance and it is equal interval of time. Equal, yes, interval of time. So when an object travels equal distance in equal interval of time, equal interval of time is called as uniform motion. Is called as uniform motion. Uniform
Yes, sir.
motion. So now we have to check in graph now. Okay. So see at 0, like here, this is the y-axis, and here we have x-axis. Okay, here it is x-axis, and at the here we have y-axis. It is y-axis and it is x-axis. So in x-axis we have taken time. Okay, and in y-axis we have taken the distance. That's why it is called a distance time graph. So see the first value here. It says at 0 time distance will be 0. So see here for both the point we have coordinate number 0 and 0. Is it? After
Yes.
10 second, 10 second we have taken 15. So we should take 15 here. Let me draw here. Suppose we have 15, 15. So let me draw another graph. We will take another graph. We are not taking that one. Let me erase that graph. Okay. So graph here. Okay. Okay. So here we have x-axis. Here, no, it is y-axis. I'm writing here y-axis. Here we have x-axis. Okay. On x-axis, we have taken time. Time in second.
Second.
Yes. And here we have taken distance. Okay. So distance in upward direction. So we have to draw these points on x-axis and y-axis. Okay. So that one is time. So we have to draw in x-axis. So here I'm taking distance of 10, 10, 10. Okay. So here we have 0. Here we have 10. Here we have 20. Here we have 30. 40. How many?
No, sir.
Okay, here so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70 and 80. It is nothing but the time in second. Okay, and in y-axis I am taking distance and I am taking difference of 15 unit. Okay, so here we have 0. Here I am taking 15. Here 30. Here 45. Here 60. Here 75. Here I am taking 90 and here 105. Yes, 105. So see here in 10 at 0 0 we have 0 point here. Okay, here 10 and 15. So 10 here and 15 here we have that point here. Okay, then we have 20 and 30. So 20 and 30 will be here. Okay, then we have 30 and 45. So 30 and 45 will be here. Okay, and when we will draw line, we will get straight line from here. Okay, we will get straight line from here. It is not, coming properly. Let me draw another line. Yes, now. Yes. Okay. So line will emerge from here. See all the points coming here, then 40 and 60 will be here. Okay. So like this, we will get every time the point on the same line. Okay. So this slope, we have to write scale also here. Scale, I am writing scale in x-axis. See in x-axis, we have taken 1 centimeter equals to 10 unit. 1 centimeter equals to 10 unit. And in
Yes.
y-axis, 1 centimeter equals to 15 unit.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so we had to write scale also. Okay, so this is the distance time graph. Let me write here distance time graph for uniform motion. Uniform motion. Okay, okay, and this slope is the positive slope. Positive.
Yes, sir. That is why it is
Yes.
going to upwards direction.
Yes, yes. Okay, okay. So here we have completed our distance time graph for uniform motion beta. So here we have written
Yes, sir.
definition. Here we have written definition for uniform motion, and this is the example to understand how to draw the distance time graph. Okay. So understood, beta? Any
Yes,
doubt?
sir. Understood.
Any doubt?
No, sir. No,
Okay.
sir.
So take a screenshot now.
Sir, taken.
Okay. So we are going to understand now the distance time graph for non-uniform motion. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now distance time graph for distance time graph for non-uniform motion. Okay, so again I'm going to write definition for what is non-uniform motion is all about. So what is non-uniform motion? When an object, you have to repeat with me
Travels.
also. Yes, when an
Yes,
object travels equal distance in unequal interval of time. Unequal interval of time, or we can write when an object travels unequal distance in equal interval of time. Is called as non-uniform motion. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Non-uniform motion. Okay. So let's take an example. Again, I'm going to draw one table here. Example. Okay, this is the table, and here I am taking again time in second, and here I am taking distance in meter. Okay, so first again at 0 time we have value 0. After 5 seconds we are taking distance of 7 meter. We are taking time equal. Okay, then 10 second the distance will be 12. Then distance will be 12. Okay, then it is 12. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Then 10, 5, 10, then 15. I'm taking 20. After 15 we had 20, and at 28th we are taking 30. And at 25 we are taking 41, like this. Okay, so this is the data we had to draw on graph. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so I'm taking graph now. Okay, this is the y-axis. This is x-axis. On x-axis we are taking time, and time is in second, so I'm writing second. And on y-axis we are taking distance, and distance is in meter. Okay, and here, so here we have both the point 0. Okay, so I'm here taking, we are taken see, again we have to check time interval. Here is for 5, here again is for 5, here again is for 5, here again for 5, and here again 5. But distance is, here we have 7, here we have 5, here we have 8, here we have 10, and here we have 11. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, means distance is not equal, so it is unequal distance. Unequal distance, but time is, it is equal interval of time. Equal interval of time. Okay, so it is non-uniform motion. Okay, so here I'm taking again the values. This is the 5, this is 10, here 15, here we have 20, here we have 25, and here 30. And here so on scale we've taken in x-axis. 1 unit equals to, no, 1 centimeter equals to 1 centimeter equals to 5 unit of time, and in y-axis we are taking 1 centimeter equals to we'll take 5, 10 unit or 5 unit, 10 unit, we'll take 10 unit, 10 unit. So here we have 10, here we have 20, here we have 30, here we have 40, here we have 50, like this. Okay, so now first we have the value both 0 coordination. See, here we have 0 and 0. Okay, so both the point will be starting at like time 0, distance will 0. Now we have 5 and 7. So here we have 5 and here 10. So just below 10 we are taking 7 here. Okay, so that will be the point. Then we have 10, 10 to 7. So no, 7 after we have 12. So 12 will be here. And we have 10 here. It is a 10. So we will get point here. Is it? So this will be the point. Now in 15 we have 20. So here we have 20 and here we have 15. Point will be here. Then we have 20 and 15. Oh no. 15 to 20 is done. Now 20 to 30. Here we have 20 and 30. And then we have 25 to 41. So 40 is here. So 41 will take here. Just above the 40. Yeah. So we'll take one more value for 30. So suppose here we have 30. And for 30, I am taking value 30, 50. So we have 50 here. And we have 30 here. Okay. So here will be the point. The screen is visible? Prachi?
Yes, sir, visible.
Okay. My side it is hanging. Wait a second. Huh? No, it is not visible now, no?
No, sir.
Yes, it is hanging. Wait a second. Okay, and now it is visible.
Yes, sir, visible.
Okay, so we have taken here like 50 and 30 here. Okay, if we will draw the straight line, see, it is not a straight line. Is it? It is not a straight line. If it is not straight line, means motion is in uniform. Sorry, non-uniform. Okay.
Non-uniform.
So this is the distance time graph. Distance time graph for non-uniform motion. Okay, so this is all about the distance time graph for non-uniform motion. Understood, beta? Any doubt here?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? No, no. Okay. Now take a screenshot for that also. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay.